Hello, welcome, I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little sound demo video that I'm making today. It's for this beautiful drum here. Now this is for sale on our Etsy shop, so this video is to accompany that listing if you like. It's a deerskin drum, it's on a 16-inch frame. It's actually quite a beautiful design on the front, and you can see there'll be more pictures on the Etsy site. I'll pop a link below. If I turn it over here, you can see it's got a branch handle. This is an ashwood branch handle, and that complements lovely because the frame is made from ashwood as well. It's laced with artificial sinew, which is great for combating the effects of moisture on a shamanic drum and helping it keep it tighter longer. On the inside there, I burnt in my maker's mark Driftwood Hollow Drums, along with the date when the drum was birthed, and it was the 25th of August 2022 in Knighton Powys, UK. That's to enable you to look up the astrological aspects of the drum, the birth chart if you like, see what energies were around on that day and how it affects the drum moving forwards. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater. This is the firmer beater. I'll change halfway through and play with a softer one. Both give a slightly different sound, and they're both offered at checkout as an option to buy if you decide to purchase the drum. So hopefully this will help you decide which of these you prefer as well. So here we go. Beautiful mellow tone with deerskin. Deerskin has to be my favourite, I think, and the soft beater is my favourite. So this should be perfect. Here we go. Very gentle, very muted, very soft. Okay, I hope the wind actually isn't ruining the video on the microphone, because it's picking up considerably now. A lot of wind blowing down through the valley here. All right, enough rattling on. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's helping you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose online. It is extremely difficult, and that's why we make these little videos for you. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.